वेलकम बैक दोस्तों और सभी लोग। इस व्लॉग में हम तलविंदर को एक जैकेट दे रहे हैं। What's up guys? Welcome back to the late night with Yacht. I know it's a very funny face and we are on our way to Zomaland because this was the most exciting news that I've been talking about in my vlogs and finally it's happening. We are on our way to surprise Talvinder with a custom jacket with a custom face. Stick throughout the vlog and watch the whole thing because I put super mad effort to the jacket as well as patiently sitting for this face paint that I got. And yes guys, I'm super thrilled and excited for this. So what's up? If you guys have followed Talvinder, he's never shown his face. I don't know why, and he has this amazing face paint always. That's his on stage, on stage getup. So I really love that, and I wanted to get my face also painted, and I wanted to look something similar to him, but then with my own style. The only difference is I have a beard and he doesn't. Bro, I look like Sting from WWE. How far are we?
10 minutes.
10 minutes away. We are super late guys. We had to be there around 7, but now it's 8.
It's 8.
Yeah. It's okay. Sometimes, on time is always shit, bro. Like, you need to show up a little late and all. I'm just kidding, bro. When it's something important, please be there on time. Or put a face paint like this and go late. Because you don't have to show them your face. And who goes like this to a show? People will think I'm him suddenly. If I wear like a hoodie and shades, no? Always these celebrities to hide their face, they put this cheap get-ups, the hoodie and the shades and all. So if I do something like that, they might be like, oh, it's this dude. But then they'll get to know the beard. Bro, what a way to start the vlog, in the night. People usually vlog in the day, but it's late night with DR always, bro. Zomaland straight. Zomaland. Park it in a spot where you can easily fuck off.
Yeah.
Okay guys, we'll be continuing the vlog in a few seconds. We'll just sort the entry.
Can I know the other person's name also?
Savad.
Savat. Okay.
That's all? So how do we enter?
You can enter from here itself.
Okay.
And then go to the VIP area.
VIP area. Yeah, cool. Thank you. Okay guys, we just got our tickets sorted. I know there's no light, but then we are in Talvinder's guest list, and we just got our tickets sorted, and right now we're entering the venue, and in a few minutes we'll be surprising Talvinder with a custom jacket. No bro, we have to give the jacket to Talvinder, so we are in his artist guest list. They have given the permission to carry the camera. Bro, I guess it's here, come. We are here. Finally bro, we are here. Let's go. My twin brother singing there. My twin. If he sees the vlog, he'll kill me, I guess. My twin's about to come on stage. Let's go, guys. Let's go. No. Boo. He's not coming, bro. Where is he?
ਮੰਗਦਾ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਤੇ ਤੇਰੀ ਰੀਝ ਨੂੰ ਦਿਖਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਹੁਣ ਰਾਹ ਮੇਰਾ ਆ ਕੇ ਫੜ ਲੈ ਤੂੰ ਹੁਣ
I'm about to go meet my twin guy. He's right there. Sorry. There. Thank you so much. So I customized a jacket for you.
Oh, shit.
Thank you. So I just
You're from Bangalore?
yeah, proper. So this is the jacket.
Yeah. Let's take a picture with you.
Yeah.
Madness, bro.
You mind like wearing it, bro?
Yeah, let's take a picture.
I'll help you.
Where is? That shit's dope.
Let's go.
What's your
Appreciate it,
brand?
man. Appreciate it. What's the brand name?
John Deere. John Deere.
Yeah, so that's my homie Summer Tones.
What's the
John
brand
Deere.
name? What?
John Deere.
You're great.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, crazy, bro. I love the fucking fish, bro.
I love it, bro. I never expected it like so, right?
No, that fits perfectly, and this like crop top a
Yeah.
little bit too. That's
Thank you, bro. Thank you for your time, man.
Thank you, bro. We're gonna be back in Bangalore.
Yes,
I'll
sir.
tell my team to get in touch. We'll get some definitely more close, man. Thank you, man. Appreciate you, bro. Appreciate you.
So we met him finally, and we also gave the jacket, and we got the contact, and his manager told us stay in touch. So shit might happen, guys. We are finally back with the jacket vlogs. It's good to be back. Sawad, you know why? Aaj Holi hai. It's good to be back, guys. I hope you guys remember me, and I hope you guys enjoy this vlog, and I hope you guys keep supporting. With that being said, guys, catch you in the next big vlog. Peace.